to another edition of Let's Get Dirty with the Dirt Man griddling style. That's right, we're using the Camp Chef Griddle. I absolutely love this thing. By the way, we're not being sponsored by Camp Chef, but we probably should be. And we are doing dirty breakfast. You've seen this on TV by many people, but not by me. And I'm using my Todd's Dirt Seasonings. And once you go dirty for breakfast, you're not gonna want it any other way, so let's get started. Okay, this is what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna be using the original dirt and the Bayou DIRT today. We're gonna cook some bacon. We're gonna do the dirty hash browns, and we've done that recipe inside, but we're gonna do this on the griddle. So I got some russet potatoes. We had some onions diced up. We're also gonna do corned beef hash, which I absolutely love. And we got the two dirts. This is gonna go in the corned beef hash to make it nice and spicy. Original dirt on the hash browns, and this is gonna be amazing breakfast. Here we go. All right, we're gonna start off with the bacon first. Put this on here. We have this on medium. I just turned this down to medium low. And we're gonna cook this down. Put my bacon press on. This is one thing I strongly suggest that you get for your griddle is a nice bacon press, maybe even two would work great. This is really nice. I love this one I got on Amazon. It's not only does it look good, but it works absolutely fantastic. All right, this bacon's ready to come on. Okay, I got some grease put back down in here. We're gonna put some butter in with the bacon grease. Now we're gonna throw the potatoes in. Put that up there really well. Okay, now we're gonna add the original dirt on top, and just want to put a good enough amount on there. So it's probably a couple tablespoons. We're gonna do some garlic powder and some black pepper. All right, now we're gonna add some white onion, and that is about a half of a white onion. Mix that up really good. Also poured a little bit more bacon grease in here on top of the potatoes. Oh yeah, it's time to get dirty. Now we're gonna put the corned beef hash on. So I love Hormel corned beef hash. This is one of the better ones I've ever tried. If you can try to find it, get this. This is good stuff. Now we're going to use the Bayou DIRT. This is our Cajun style. Put that right on there to add some spice. You can use the original if you want to keep it mild. I'm going to use some Tabasco. Love cooking with Tabasco. About $5 or $6 dollops for that in there. And then a little bit of black pepper. Now we're gonna add the other half of an onion. You see I diced it up really nice. Mix it up. Potatoes are starting to look really nice. Get a nice little crust on those, and I'm gonna lay this thing nice and flat so I can get a nice crust on that. Oh yeah. Now we're gonna flip these over. Oh yeah, these are almost done. You can just see how it's starting to get really nice, starting to change color. Nice crust. Let's flip over the corned beef hash. Oh yeah. Look at that. That is what you're looking for. Beautiful crust. That is sweet. Do this up. Oh, the Todd, could you help me out? I'm gonna put some butter right here on this side to do the eggs. I have this completely this side off. I've never turned it on. Eggs cook much better on here when it's not on and on it completely hot. There you go. And of course, we're gonna put a little bit of Todd's dirt right on top. There we go. We're gonna put some corned beef hash right on here. Hash browns, oh yeah. Flip that over. All right, eggs are coming off. I like it right on both. We're just gonna mix it up anyways. There you go. Okay, now we get to try this. This is gonna be absolutely awesome. So let's try it. Well, hash browns, eggs. Absolutely fantastic. Flavors move near really well. With the original dirt and the potatoes and the onions. Josh, what do you think of that corned beef hash?
Oh, it was really good. The crust on the bottom was
Crust?
amazing.
That is so good. Good man, happy. Really good. I'm using the original in the Bayou. So I hope you enjoyed this. Hope you enjoyed me watching me cook on the Camp Chef Griddle. I absolutely love it. Please subscribe. Check out our other videos where we're cooking, grilling, and barbecuing using Todd's Dirt seasonings and marinades. And remember, it's always a good time to get dirty.